Good morning, everybody.
Morning, sir. Good morning, sir.
All of you are ready?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
It took me more than 1 hour to prepare the question paper. So I have prepared in a nice way from chapter 1 to 10, and it is very easy. I will
Good
send you the
morning,
link
sir.
now, and you just start appearing the test. So I'm sending the
Sir.
link. See, I am sending the link here.
Sir, in WhatsApp.
No, see Campus Care. Campus Care I have opened here. Are you able to see it?
Yes, sir.
In WhatsApp, there are two sections are there. Na? In WhatsApp, 5A and 5C also are there. So if I will send a link, so 5C students also will attend. So that is why in Campus Care, I am going to send so that only class 5A students will appear. Okay.
सर 5C का अभी ज्वाइन नहीं करेगा.
No, for 5A, I have GK
Sir, you
in
have
5A
sent.
only.
Okay,
I
sir.
teach GK in class
Sir,
5A
you have
only.
sent.
I am
Thank you,
sending
sir.
now on the screen. You are not able to say. See here on the screen. Are you able to see in screen?
Yes, sir.
What is written on the screen? What is written in on the screen?
Sir,
I am sending now title. I will right click the link. Click the link. I am typing the link here. I am typing in Campus Care. In Campus Care, where I give homework, in that section you need to check. Okay, in the homework section. You will get SMS also. Class 5A. See, class 5A is written class wise. Class 5A. Subject, what is the subject? GK. Subject is?
GK.
Okay, now I am sending. I am sending. Now its link is going. All of you need to check your Campus Care. You will get link. Within a minute, you will get the link. Within a minute, you will get the link.
Sir, I got the link.
You got the link. Okay, very good. Those who got the link, start appearing the test. And I am typing the link in Zoom chat box also for everybody. Okay.
Yes,
Everybody check your Zoom chat box. Everybody has got or not? Make me confirm in Zoom chat box.
Sir, I not got it.
Yeah. Check your Zoom chat box
Sir,
in a
I
proper
also
way.
got it. Sir, not yet.
Garima, you are telling. So I am sending you personally. Okay, in your chat box.
Chat box. Okay, sir.
I have sent Garima. Now you can check.
Okay.
Did you get? Tell me.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now click that link and start appearing the test. If you will feel any difficulty, I am here only. You can ask me any question. I will show you on the screen also. Avyay Prasun, you have got Avyay Prasun.
सर अनुभाग में क्या लिखेंगे?
What bhag? You need to write your name. Let me show you on the screen how will you play it. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Let me show you on the screen. You just need to let me open the WhatsApp.
Lotus. Submit. Two flowers of medicine value. Sir,
Are you able to see on the screen?
sir,
First you need, yes.
sir, what we do, sir, in question number 2, we can point to medicine. Yeah, one.
Two answer is there, so you have to tick two answers. Two answers you have to tick.
Sir, how I can pick two answers?
You can just touch two answer, it will be automatically accepted.
False. Frogs and toads breathe through their skin. Breathe through their skin. True.
So you will see this page. Are you able to see this page? Everybody tell me. On the screen, are you able to see it? On the screen, are you able to see it? You write your name here, then you can proceed. Suppose I have written my name and then click start. When you will click start, so first question will come. A flower which has a religious significance for Hindus, what is the answer?
Lotus.
So you have to tick lotus, then click on submit. The next question has come. Two flowers of medicinal values. What is the answer? Tell me, what is the answer?
Sir, what? Rose and calendula.
Rose and calendula, two answers are here. So you tick on both options. Number one, rose, and then calendula also. You have to tick on both options. Then you have to click on submit. Then you will get the next question, third question. So in this way, you have to clear your test.
Sir, where is link?
Link I have sent in Campus Care. Check your Campus Care.
Okay, sir.
Link I already have sent in Campus Care. You just check your Campus Care. And time is given. Time is given. Only 20-minute test is there. After that, I will show you result also here. So within that time, all of you need to complete all the answers. These questions carrying 50 marks. Okay. Carrying 50 marks only. Understood?
Yes.
Saksham Devraj, any problem?
No, sir.
Okay. Those who will face any problem, you need to tell me. When you will get fill in the blanks answer, you have to write your answer in a small letter. When you will get fill in the blanks answer, you need to write in a small letter. Okay. Pragati Khetan, any problem? Garima Yadav, any problem?
No, sir.
Okay. Sama Shaurya, are you appearing the test?
टेस्ट कर रहा है. क्या है? Held.
Write your exam silently, okay? Now we press soon. If you are not getting the link, you can check your Zoom chat box. Let me mute to all of you. Those who want to ask me anything, they just need to raise their hand and they can ask me. Now all of you are making noise, so I have muted to all of you. If you want to ask anything to me, you can raise your hand and you can ask me. Okay. Otherwise, there will be so much noise. Aware Prasoon, unmute yourself. Any problem? Aware Prasoon, I have sent the link in your Zoom chat box. Check your link in the Zoom chat box, then you can write your exam. Aware Prasoon, I think you are facing network problem because, yeah, you are facing network problem. I am also able to see, but there is no problem in that. You can get the link from Campus Care, and you can get the link from your Zoom chat box also. You can message me if you are facing any problem on WhatsApp also and in Zoom chat box also. Those who have any problem, they can ask me. Mantasa Mukhtar is writing, send me again. Okay, Mantasa Mukhtar, I am sending then to Mantasa Mukhtar. Okay, check your Zoom chat box. Match the following. How will you do it? Match the following. Match the following is very easy. Let me show you match the following. How will you do it on the screen? Match the following. Okay. Let me show you. Match the following. How will you complete? How will you do match the following? All of you see here. Richa Kumari, any problem? Unmute yourself. Richa Kumari.
So how to match the following?
I am showing you on the screen. You see on the screen. Are you able to see?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So let me go and match the following question. Okay. I'm just submitting the answer. I'm writing any wrong answer. I'm not writing the correct answers. I'm just going to match the following so that I can tell you. So I am writing wrong answer, whatever answer is there, but I am writing wrong answer knowingly so that I can go till match the following. Asmit, any problem? Asmit, any problem?
Sir, I have completed my all the answers, and once I tap submit, then
I will show you result also. At last, you need to click on finish. Then you will be redirected at the same page where you had started. Then you don't need to do anything. At last, you just finish and log out. Finish and log out. And the last question, finish and log out.
Yes, sir, I have logged out. Tap.
Okay, very good. Then you have redirected in the first page.
Yes, sir.
So that you don't need to do anything. Now wait for 10 minutes because after 10 minutes, I will show you your result on the screen here only. Now I will show how to do match the following. Now I will show how to do match the following because children are asking to me. I am just writing wrong answer, okay? So that I can reach in a very fast, in a very fast way to match the following. These are true, false.
Okay, sir.
Those who have completed, very good. Keep your mom shut. Don't disturb the class. On these are the fill in the blanks. So I am writing anything in fill in the blanks. I just need to reach in that question. match the following so that I can show you how will you write your match the following answer. That is very easy. At the left side, you need to write your answer 1, 2, 3, means number only you need to write in match the following. See, now we have come to the match the following. How will you write the match the following? See answer. Who has asked me? Richa. So let me unmute Richa first. Richa, let me unmute Richa first. Richa Kumar, see, how will you write match the following? You listen. People tree. What is the answer of people's tree? Number 1, 2, 3, 4. What is the answer of people tree?
People tree, sir, a tree which has heart-shaped leaves and is also considered scared in Hinduism.
What is the number of that answer? What is the number? Tell me, what is the number? A tree which has heart-shaped leaves and is also considered sacred in Hinduism. Tell me the correct answer.
Sir, 2 number.
2 number. A tree has green shiny leaves and which produces a big juicy fol. No, this is wrong. A people tree, you know, people tree is. What is the correct answer? Say someone. Okay, tell me the answer of money plant. I think people tree answer is number 1. So you see, Richa Kumari, see how will you write the answer? You just click this arrow. Are you able to see this arrow?
Yes, sir.
You just click here, and if the answer is number 1, means a tree which has a heart shape, so you just click here at number 1. In the same way, what is the answer of money plant? Tell me. Asmit Keshri, tell me the answer of money plant. Asmit Keshri. What is the answer?
Sir, 7.
7.
Number 7.
So
Yes.
see, Richa, you need to click here at this drop down arrow and you choose number 7. So in this way, you have to answer, match the following questions. Okay, understood, Richa?
Yes, sir.
So in this way, you need to write the answer of match the following. Okay, very good. After 5 minutes or 10 minutes, I will show. The result I will show here on the screen. By the way, how much time is left? Jishabi Marandi, tell me. You have completed Jishabi Marandi.
Yes, sir.
How many time is left now? Okay, those who are writing, only they can tell. So wait for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, I will show you result also here. I will show you result also here. Wait 5 minutes only. Adamya Vaibhav, you have completed? Adamya Vaibhav?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. Wait 5 minutes only. After 5 minutes, I will show you result. And let us check that who has got the higher marks and who is the winner of today, of today's exam. Winner will get prize when school will reopen. Okay, Jishabi Marandi. Okay, very good. Simran Sandelia, you have completed?
Yes, sir.
Okay, wait for 3 minutes more. After 3 minutes, I will show you result also. 3 minutes more. After that, I will start showing result. Sama Shaurya, you have completed. Sama Shaurya. Sama Shaurya is not saying anything today. Why? Sama Shaurya. Saksham Devraj, you have completed.
No, sir.
How much time is left for you now? How much time is left?
8 sir. 8 minutes.
8 minutes left. Okay. Write all the answers. Someone is saying Chota Bheem. Someone is saying Chota Bheem. Television noise is coming here. Television voice. After 2 minutes, I will show you result. Now only 2 minutes is left. After 2 minutes, I will show you the result. Okay, Asmit Keshri, keep yourself unmuted so that I will talk to only one student. Okay. Now I am going to show you the result. Okay, Asmit Keshri, keep yourself unmuted.
Yes.
Okay. So I'm going to show you the result. So let us come on the screen. Okay, now I'm going to show you the result. Okay, view results. Now I will show you result. Everybody is able to see this page.
Yes.
Asmit Keshri, are you able to see this page?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now I'm going to click on view results and all of your result will be published here. Okay, Kislay Raj is here. Let me unmute Kislay Raj also. Kislay Raj is not here. Okay, let it be. So now I'm going to open the result. See, result has opened now in front of you. Everybody see. Just now, Abhinav Jaydev, Adamya Vaibhav, Aditya Raj P, then Anand Raj. Are you able to see the result? Everybody tell me now first.
92%.
Are you able to see the result?
Yes.
Are you able to see result? Simran Sandilia?
Yes, sir.
Simran Sandilia, unmute yourself.
Yes, sir.
Are you able to see result page here?
Yes, sir.
Okay, then let me check who has got more marks. And I will check time also. See, time is also given, that what time you have taken to complete the test. And all the questions is given here, 43 questions. See, all 43 questions you can check from here. All 43 questions is given here. See all those questions. Whatever you have made wrong in that, it would be cross. Okay. Let me show you first one by one. Till now, 23 students has completed. After that, those who will complete, their result also will be published here. So first, let us check till now who has got the higher marks. Abhinav Jaydev, 84 marks. Then Adamya Vaibhav, 88%. Aditya Raj P, 84%. 90% see Anand Raj 5A, 72%. Aradhana Chaudhary 5A, 90% she has got, and she has taken less time also. She has completed 11 minutes 44 seconds. Okay, let me check. 92%. Asmit Keshri has got 92%. And he has completed in 7 minutes 3 seconds only. Very good. So let me check who has got more than 92. Asmit Keshri has got 92%, but let me check someone has got more than Asmit Keshri or not. So Asmit Keshri 92, Asparsh 72%, Garima 68%, Harshit Raj 584%, Jishabi Marandi 86%, Kislay Raj 84%, Kumar Abhinav 82%, Mayank Keshri 82%, Mayank Keshri 82%, then Mayank Keshri again 82%, 96%. Shal Sinha has got 96%, and time she has taken 9 minutes 46 seconds. Very good. 96% has got. Asmit has got second division, and first has got first place scored. That's Shal Sinha. Okay. Then 40%, 86%. Then Pragati Khetan 87%, Prince Raj 90%. Then Priyanshu Kumar 85%. Rimmi Naik also has got 92%, but she has taken 16 minutes 16 seconds. And Simran Sandalia has got 88%. And Urvashi Kumari has got 88%. So till now, 96% Shal Sinha has got. So till now, Shal Sinha has got very highest marks. Shal Sinha. Okay. Where is Shal Sinha? Jisabi, Maharani, Mayank Keshri, Prachi, Pragati. 6%. Where is that? Here. Name Shal Sinha. Shal Sinha has got 96%. So let me unmute Shal Sinha. Shal Sinha, unmute yourself. Shal Sinha. Shal Sinha, unmute yourself. Shal Sinha, are you listening? First, unmute yourself. Are you listening? Shal Sinha, are you listening? Shal Sinha is not replying. Okay, let me refresh this page again, so that those who have completed by now, their result also will be published here. Okay, let me refresh this page. Let me refresh this page and I will show you again who has got the highest marks. Let me refresh this page. Now see, 32 students result has come here. 32 students result has come here. Now let me check again. 32 students responses has come here. So let me check again. Abhinav Jaydev 84%, Abhinav Raj 76%, Adamya Vaibhav 80%, Aditya Rajki 84%, Anand Raj 5A 72%, Aradhana Chaudhary 90%, Asmit Keshri 92%, Asparsh 72%, Garima Yadav 68%, Harshit Raj 84%, Jishabi Marandi 86%, Kislay Raj 84%, Kumar Abhinav 82%, Mantasha Mukhtar 88%, Mayank Keshri 82%, Mayank Keshri 82%, Molly Singh 90%, Shal Sinha 96%. Shal Sinha has got highest marks. Om Anand 40%, Prachi 86%, Prachi Kumari 52%, Pragati Khetan 87%, Prince Raj 90%, Priyanshu Kumar 85%, Richa Kumari 90%, Rimmi Naik 92%, Ria Marodia 88%, then Saksham Devraj 92%, Sama Shaurya 66%, and Shivam Kumar 5A 58%, Simran Sandilya 88%, Urvashi 88%. So the winner is Shal Sinha. She has got 96%. Winner is Shal Sinha. She has got 96%. Shal Sinha. Okay. Shal Sinha is the winner. Shal Sinha is the winner here. She has got 96%. She has completed in 9 minutes 46 seconds only. So Shal Sinha is the winner today. Of today's test, winner is Shal Sinha. So I am going to unmute to all of you and clap for Shal Sinha, everybody. Okay, start clapping. I have unmuted. Clap for Shal Sinha. She has got 96%. Everybody clap. Yes, Shal Sinha has got 96%. Very good. And at the second place, Asmit Keshri is there. And in the second number, Asmit Keshri is there. But Shal Sinha will get prize when school will reopen. Okay, Shal Sinha, are you listening? Shal Sinha, are you listening? And I will send all of your copy also in WhatsApp group. In WhatsApp group, I will send the copy also. How copy will look like, let me show you. How copy will look like, let me show you here. Let me show you how copy will look like. Let me show you the copy of Shal Sinha. Shal Sinha copy, let me show you. If I will click here, so Shal Sinha copy will reopen. See, this is the copy of Shal Sinha. Okay, here you can see all the question and answers. 1 point, she has got 1 mark. Here also 1 point, she has got 1 mark in question number 2. In this way, I will send all of your copy in 5AC WhatsApp group. All of your copy I will send in 5AC WhatsApp group. In this way, you can see that how many questions she has made correct and how many questions she has made wrong. All of you will get your copy. In the copy top of the page, you will see your name. See here, how will you check your copy? Let me show you here. In the copy, here your name is written. Shal Sinha is written here and date is also mentioned here. So when I will send your copy, all of you will check your copy, okay? So in this way, you can check your copy till last. Shal Sinha 43 number answer she has made wrong. Here it is written 0. In that question, she has not got marks. Justin Bieber is the correct answer. So all answer of fill in the blanks, you just need to write like that only. Justin Bieber. Justin I have written in small and Bieber I have written in capital. That's why she has made mistake in that only. So it's a computer, in the computer, whatever answer I will set, in that way only if you will write, then your answer will become right. So in this way, you can check your copy also. Okay. So I will send you the copy in 5AC group. PDF I will send and you will get your copy. All students will copy. Okay, Shalsina, are you listening, Shalsina? Shalsina is not replying today. Why?
Yes.
I will send copy also in 5A, 5AC group. Okay, you are the winner. When school will reopen, you will get the prize. Okay, Shalsina. And
Yes,
you are
sir.
the monitor. And from today onwards, you are the monitor of my GK class. You are the monitor. Very good.
Yes, sir.
You are the monitor, Shalsina. And rest of all the students, those who have tried their level best, but they have not scored good marks. So no problem. Again, I will take test when I will complete from chapter 11 to 20. When I will complete chapter 11 to 20, then again I will conduct the test after a week. But let me complete chapter 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Let me teach first. So in the next class, when I will complete all the chapters, then I will conduct again chapter 11 to 10 test, 11 to 20. Okay, Rimmi Nair, any problem?
No, sir.
Okay, keep studying, everybody. After ending the class, I will send you your result and copy in 5AC group of WhatsApp group. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, Richa, any problem?
Yes, sir.
Any problem,
Yes, sir.
Richa? Okay. Okay, then bye, everybody. I'm going to unmute.
Bye,
To
sir.
all of you.
Bye, sir.
Bye, sir.
Bye, sir. Thank you, sir.
Bye, sir. Bye, sir.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Bye, sir.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Bye, bye. Bye, bye.